Craving something sweet but don't want to spend forever in the kitchen? I've got you. Today I'm sharing 3 healthy, easy, no-bake dessert recipes. We're making Snickers-inspired stuffed dates, raspberry coconut bites, and the viral edible healthy cookie dough. They are quick and easy and perfect for those moments when you need something sweet right now. The only waiting involved is letting these raspberry coconut bites set in the freezer, but trust me, they're worth it. So let's get into it. We're gonna start by making the Snickers-inspired stuffed dates. We only need 5 ingredients for this recipe. We need dates and peanut butter. This is a perfect recipe to use the bottom of the jar, super thick peanut butter for. And then we need peanuts. We're gonna chop these in a second. And 80% dark chocolate. And lastly, flaky sea salt. We're gonna start by removing the pits from the dates. Then we're gonna place the dates onto a plate lined with parchment paper. And next, we just fill the dates with the peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, you could use any other nut butter, for example, almond butter or hazelnut butter. And now we're going to chop a handful of peanuts. And then we sprinkle the peanuts on top. They add a nice crunch to the date bites. And next, we're gonna melt a few pieces of the dark chocolate. I melt the chocolate in the microwave for about 2 to 2.5 minutes, but I mix it every 30 seconds so it won't burn. And then we just drizzle the chocolate on top of the dates. And lastly, we add flaky sea salt on top. And now we're gonna pop these into the freezer for a few minutes so the chocolate sets. And here are the ready Snickers-inspired stuffed dates. They look so good. The dates act as a caramel in this recipe, and it's a perfect combo with creamy peanut butter, crunchy peanuts, and rich dark chocolate, and the flaky sea salt. If you like treats that are both sweet and salty, you have to try these out. This is how they look on the inside. These are so yummy. I always crave something sweet after dinner, so I love having these in the fridge and then having one of them for dessert. Since dates contain some fiber and the peanut butter is high in healthy fats, this dessert won't cause a huge blood sugar spike, so these are a perfect little sweet treat. They last in the fridge in an airtight container up to 2 weeks. Next, we're going to make the raspberry coconut bites. For this recipe, you need a blender or a food processor. And then we're just gonna blend all the ingredients together. We need 1 cup of frozen raspberries and 3/4 cup of shredded coconut, and about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or honey. And then we just blend in short bursts. Stop and scrape down the sides if needed. The ready mixture should look like this. It doesn't need to be completely smooth. The point is just to mix all the ingredients together and break the raspberries into smaller pieces. Now in this next step, you need to be very quick since the mixture melts fast. So we're going to roll the mixture into 8 balls. And we place them on a plate lined with parchment paper. If you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can just spoon dollops onto the plate instead. And now we're gonna let these set in the freezer for 1 to 1.5 hours. Now the bites have set, so we can dip them in melted dark chocolate. I just melted some 80% dark chocolate in the microwave. And then we just dip the bites in the chocolate. I'm using a fork so the excess chocolate drips off. And lastly, we sprinkle shredded coconut on top. And then we just repeat the process. Here are the ready raspberry coconut chocolate bites. The chocolate sets very quickly when you dip the bites in it since the bites are frozen. Look at that beautiful pink color. This flavor combination is so yummy. These are a fun dessert idea for spring and summer. And lastly, we're gonna make the edible healthy cookie dough. First, we're gonna blend the wet ingredients together. We need 1 cup of cottage cheese. This adds some protein to the cookie dough. Then we need 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then we blend until creamy. Then we pour the mixture into a bowl. Next, we add 3/4 cup of almond flour, and 1/4 cup of oat flour, and 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, and a pinch of salt. And then we stir. I should have chosen a bigger bowl. Oh well. This is how it looks like now. Next, we're gonna add some dark chocolate chips or dark chocolate chunks. Maybe that's good. And here's the ready cookie dough. So this cottage cheese cookie dough recipe has gone viral all over social media, but I had not tried this before, so let's do a taste test. It has a very creamy consistency, but it's warm. I think the blender probably heated up the cottage cheese mixture. So I'm gonna pop this into the fridge for like 15 minutes and we're gonna try it again. Okay, let's try it again. I think it tastes okay, but it doesn't have a very strong flavor to it. You can taste the cottage cheese, but it's not very sweet and it's missing that buttery cookie dough flavor. So maybe next time I would add some cashew or almond butter to it and even a little bit of cinnamon for extra flavor, but it's a fun protein-packed dessert idea. I store these in an airtight container in the freezer and then I take them to room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving. All the recipes are in the description box as well as the link to my ebooks, which have all of my most popular recipes as well as a lot of exclusive recipes. See you guys next week. Bye!